Ebusia ha ye Pambi TV mo bibiara akwaba. So when you subscribe ya na make us be subscribe my no say me notification bell na say na be ya drop new videos now so can sharp. No say follow ye on Facebook and Instagram. Ebusia Miami main man Seche Amankwa aka Otale. Miami main man no. Na ebusia o de say back me ni bia betu jat me say asem na nya de det say enko ne boso na say bia ko ni trim. Na ebusia ni nsema o kan tintin tietia ne say kwa kwa say kuma wood for no omaye omo kuo bi chese akwa say nipa bi wonum a o de onya yi a ebejaw nipa bi so wonum so onya yi a ebejaw because akwa say omaye omo group na eja ni papa free mu na say na chese won say mbaye no chese kwa ye chese omo ba ni papa yi no omo nya enough chese she crying sa na omo yebusan se na ntina like mo nyina mo kuma wodnum na wanya yie na ai so mo ba no ma sheda ndo so se nka wo so mo ye no na ebusia o cheche nim sem no na ekwa eti se ondi o hu ni so mo kuma wood for na ai se bi mu ye hypocrite because ekwa eti se bi mu do bi chen bi ni ade o de me ma me kasa na nye tenten mo me kote Otale ni sem ba ku me bi o kan ye ne sambra back.
Yes, so payiko. We go that our own time. Medema so to for so payiko.
Kan bi o ya aboa.
Hey.
No kan se men payiko bi o ya aboa pa me na me ka kire wo. Wonim nyansanti no wo kasa.
You so payiko. Na wa hwe so.
Na me no me wo kumase ha se no. Me wo kumase na me kom ayi. Ba me kwotena akra no. Wati ase. Ayi bi wo ha minti me ma ha.
Okay.
Wati ase. Ayi bi wo ha minti me ma. Se ayi ba akra. Baby aye ni hye bia na ese me ye de me fo soko what you say etisa wo hwe se minti me wa kra minti me makumase hyew mayi a na no nkire se be mpiraduasa me mayi ba na me wo ha na me ko
okay
what you ye mpanifo so ka se wo twe ankodwa no akọ me de kuma wudufo so obi akura ama na mo ba I don't care what you say I don't care. Antisanity.
So mo ba na ngoma no e kan ho ba ya na.
Why not?
Ngoma na ba no ngoma na no.
Yes. Ngoma no, omo ya de. Ngoma ese se ba no. What you say no ana aba no. Wi ase no nye ni pa nyina na bedo. Watamfo wom. Nti nye wo antena wi ase nye se ni pa nyina be kan ho asempa.
Okay.
Yesu bi eto no. Nti so obi ka sa odi ka. Sa wo wa mama yi a wo so de asi a me so mema. Ai wala mu a wala to a what you say wa ma me so me ma fi se ase bibi se ase obi kan sa ma wote di a na je se me won se kuma wudu enyigi mu wom
yimu wom
yes so obi kan sa pa ma wote ya bi so ba yie ni bi na so obi gina ba bi kan se me mayie na ye di a ene ye hypocrite e wo kuo num na me no asem bi wo ho a me didi agoro bat ade bi wo ho na wo kan ese me fan serious because ye yes ade anyimu wom yimu wokuo nim se yesi nyina ye atikuo ni nyina de aboaboa ye ho na se be mpiraduasa ebia ba bia me wo no minti me ma na me nwoma ba na wo
ye bia ba bia nwoma wantumi ama bia nwoma ba
aba
okay
what you say
tudi wo nwoma mu a che se
e wo nwoma
ye wa ama bia no nwoma no ehye ho be chensa abade no
oh why not
okay
se first na ye maako ene na ekomienu what you say
okay
nwoma because se wa anya ye be yudin afirim se wa wo hwe platform so a ye bebere din afirim but adenti busame ho se adenti na me de medin wom
okay
what you say
ade a okoyi wa nkonso a wo ye wasade
what you say
okay
eti se media ba na obi gina ho se me manti wo made a se ne ene ekuo na ye hypocrite hypocrite sana mpesa me
Ebusia kuma would no just say they be and some fufro just say I don't know I think it's also muguno no musa creative fufro because obien hormo cast and papa fa kuma would stars and the whole industry nina because e kwa say we ba o se a ene ndro wo we su ba we se ndro ye ho we su ba o se na we mama yie na fa sia it would say like movie industry ni ade ni na no tim say o se esa guru na ye renovation I can say renovation yes I am for because a hard to say we tim say Otale me share video tim say yeah as ade na ha no kakra because we say omunyina omuye ni afo ni ade so how say ebibedo bi a che bi ebusia sa na ewiase na kwakoyo Ebusia Nancy audition be a course so I for the next TV star near her judges na yebehu Nana wo mu Bridget Otu and Sawa I'm here Sawa I'm here I'm here but I say Sawa I'm here aha na ebusia audition na se no na jabo bi pen ho asem kopie mu na ebusia aya na ya reho because we say social media na nkasa na ebi mu found say just keke like bibi keke na ye tro bibi egu ho unse omo aya na se buye bibi to onu ma omo mesha de na se wonti asem a woka ofiti ya na ochocho se bi onkwasa asem egu video na se no na we na boy bi pen ho asem kopie audition na se je so person ye the next TV star na wa he judges ye echeche ni ho ana na abatuemu se wa am here so tuemu na Bridget to tuemu na ebu se ye se on presenting na yi o de buy na se boy igina ho na te se na no ifunfum ni ade ehwa na wa oni English madam racism so racism English madam edi face akwa chat beto na otum say boys ayemre we the boys ayemre ankasa guzia wo ma go video no yembra.
Present your political show.
Welcome to another edition of
has a blog
fact, so I don't think I'll be
you write
facts.
When you write this, hey Sewa, we know what you've been up to in this country. What do you know?
Where did you pick that from?
That is your Twitter page.
Okay.
That
Twitter is our agenda.
What's this agenda? So in other words, it's about fooling and saying stupid things that is meant to tarnish someone else's image. What's this factual about what you've written about Sewa?
I mean, Twitter is a different world, you know.
How? Twitter?
Get that right. You can't even spell am I. You can't even spell it. Yet you think you can sit behind a phone and write crap on Twitter about people. Simple am I. You can't spell it. But that's not the point. You question people's relevance. How relevant do you think you are? Because I've seen tweets of you rubbishing Lydia Forson too.
I need to get the source of. I mean,
it's your phone. Your phone is in your pocket.
So you said you deal with facts. Yes. Living Rose just on October saying that the 4.5K issue that person is paid more than you at GH1 TV.
Do you know my salary?
I mean, how did you know?
That's why I'm telling you that what you see on Twitter is different from.
You sit on Twitter and you write utter nonsense about people. You've said horrible things about me, Sewa, Lydia Forson, Bridget, other people on your Twitter. Here I am. Say it to my face.
Why should I?
Why shouldn't you?
Because Twitter is not real life.
I have always said that people who bully people, when they see them, they can't even talk.
You can't even.
You are a very clear example of those people.
You can't. If you sit on Twitter and you say that it's a different life, and you can insult Lydia Forson that you haven't met before, and you meet her, you will go shush. You can't speak like right now.
Because it looks like when you meet real human beings, you can't express yourself.
I know you go back on Twitter and write crap.
Yes.
Go ahead. I don't care. But the thing is, you couldn't say it to my.
Ebusia wo say ade na kasa no te say wo ye bibia wo so de se bi odi nyansa to ho because uti telephone echi ana say wo tu fia wa relax a wo miamia wo kokromoti na wo se bi wo twem kwasasam no nim say offense inframa de ko ana se bibisa but also who say nipa susu na ebe kan na nipa susu nipa bo so a ontimi nteki sa anyoma no what I say ti se bi o se mumu eche na se bi ye bibi na se enye ofe ana se ade na nipa ne ye wo hia eno se obetwem no wakọ abusu enye by force se obehwe se bi mimi ye me video na se video na ye wo hia ye otan a se bi nsuma o me bobo opron se wo we he bebe hwe me video mame na wo wanya daja be chocho se bi comment hu hia what I say we say ye say omo anim su no wakọ akogina na che se wo san pese obey the next TV star we che se wo fail ukra wo ma o the record akasu di kra we wo lose chance akwa ebusu amoma enya abutra what I say so bibi kosi na so pese o kire wa adwen a Also chira wa adwe hu hia so be ma comment na wo hwe na sade no enye ofa na watwam ko because unnim ochena bi ebi ochena bi nipa na odidi na tam no be hia ne mo a ana so boko akohia no ba bi abusu be hia se nka nipa no bo ebi ane se boy ne wish se go be the next TV star we say abono because jeje ogina ni mu no utim say wa ya wa abusu baby edusu na video of the day mo enkwen njembra
Poetic Accra, fire poetic Accra, fire poetic Accra, fire poetic Accra, fire poetic Accra, poetic Accra, poetic Accra, poetic, Nafe 19, fire poetic Accra, poetic Accra, poetic Accra, poetic Accra, poetic Accra.
Hey, you say, yeah, mommy, so trendy, or trendy global world, global nation, baby. What shall I say? Hey, I saw a cross a mission. I was a mission. I'm so many challenge number 2 because say, yeah, mommy, or trendy too much. Until the hey, when I hey, right here, mommy, Cecilia, Cecilia, mouthful, shall walk cry. I was the episode no be see na make us so nya subscribe ya na subscribe ya my no send me notification bell no send be ya drop new videos now so can shop no also follow you on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching. Makamo.